Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to exchange your funds from Canadian dollars to US dollars and vice versa. While you may have deposited Canadian dollars into your bank account, you will need US dollars in order to buy US stocks, ETFs, and options listed on US exchanges. This conversion happens automatically in registered accounts like TFSAs and RRSPs, or in any Questrade account. You will need to place a specific request for margin accounts. We will show you how to convert US and Canadian dollars in your Questrade account. To begin, first log into your Questrade account. When you first log in, you will be on the summary page. Click on the Move Money tab at the top of the page and select Exchange from the drop-down menu. When you get to the Exchange page, the new request submission will open by default. To begin an exchange request, select the account you want to exchange funds in by clicking on the drop-down menu. Then, go to the Transaction menu and select either USD to CAD or CAD to USD. In the Action menu, you will have the option to specify the amount you wish to buy or specify the amount you wish to sell. Selecting the Sell or Buy option means you would then enter the amount you wish to sell or purchase after the conversion. For example, if you want to buy 1,000 USD, first select CAD to USD in the Transaction menu, then select Specify Amount of USD to buy in the Action menu. Then, enter $1,000 in the Amount menu. This will add 1,000 USD to your account and subtract the corresponding amount of Canadian dollars from your account, based on the current exchange rate. On the other hand, you can also use the drop-down menu to select how much of a currency you want to sell. For example, if you funded your account with Canadian dollars and want to convert 1,000 CAD to USD, select Exchange CAD to USD. In the Action menu, select Specify Amount to sell, then enter $1,000 in the Amount menu. This will subtract 1,000 CAD from your account and add the converted USD to your account based on the current exchange rate. For the purpose of this video, we will be buying 500 US dollars. First, select the account. Next, select CAD to USD in the Transaction menu. Then select Specify Amount of USD to buy from the Action menu. Enter $500 in the Amount menu. Then click Submit. Once this request is processed, the account will have a USD balance of $500 and the corresponding amount of Canadian dollars will have been deducted from the CAD balance. Press Confirm to continue. After your request has been submitted, the Request History tab will open by default. This is where you will find the history of your exchange fund transactions. You may select a starting and end date in the date range windows to narrow your transactions to a select period of time. The Recent History chart will display the reference number of the transaction type, the initial amount requested, the account you used, the status date, and the status of the transaction. You may return to this page by clicking on the Request History tab above at any time. After you've finished exploring your history, click on the New Request tab to return to the main screen. Further below, you will find more information related to exchanging funds. Clicking on Processing Time will provide you with details on process times when exchanging funds. Please note that if a fund exchange request is made before 2:30 p.m., it should be processed the same day. Requests received after 2:30 p.m. will be processed on a best efforts basis due to certain conditions beyond Questrade's control. Clicking on Exchange Funds Examples will list examples of how to buy and sell and exchange funds between Canadian and US dollars. You may also find information on foreign currency exchanges. Some details include Questrade's role as a counterparty, exchange currency fees, and holding US dollars for foreign exchange purposes. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade account, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.